Soccer DBB number 336, and that is one box of 2017 Nobility Soccer. Every spot is 2 random teams, 1 good team, 1 not so good team. First off, the not so good teams. Random dice roll, is for both random. Snake Eyes is reroll. We are going 8 times on both randoms. Good luck. Here we go on the not so good teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's a 5 time. Good luck. 8. Wales on top, Paraguay at the bottom. That are the not so good teams. On to the better teams. Good luck, everybody. 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry. And last and final time, good luck. 8. We have USA on top, Netherlands, Ukraine at the bottom. So here are your teams. Good luck, guys. On to the break. One box Nobility Soccer. We have 2 spots left in showcase. 2 or 3? No, 2 it was, right? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's see in the last 2. Alright, first our base. We got Luis Figo for Portugal to 199. On the back we have Rivaldo for Brazil. National Heroes is Shay Given for Ireland. That is it the auto already? Should be the auto, right? Let's see this one here first. Campos to 75 for Mexico. Alright, and the autograph is, good luck, Ian Wright for England. Nice one to 300. Ian Wright. One of my favorites. Lewis gets Ian Wright to 300. Nice hit. Congrats. Righty in the house. Ian Wright. Nice one. Alright, next up. 2 in the back. Alright. We got Carlos Puyol to 199 for Spain. On the back we got Rafa Marquez for Mexico. We got Gabriel Batistuta for Argentina. We got Buffon to 199 Italy. And autograph. Good luck. Come on, give us a good one. Upside down here. On card it is at least. Andy Cole. Wow, England killing it. Andy Cole for England again. Lewis. Sorry everybody else. Nice break for England in this one. Andy Cole. Could be short print. Alright, congrats Lewis. Sorry everybody else. That's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.